And you went, what perfume you have on? Anyway, long story. Hi, guys.
That works. That counts.
And I told him what perfume it was, and he said, boy, it smells good, go.
See?
Can I have your number? And I was like, no. Anyway, bingo time.
B-I-N-G-O.
Here is our bingo pad. And we're going to play bingo based on whether we've had any of these
experiences.
Yes, not just Jamaican experiences, but experiences overall. And then we'll see who gets bingo first.
I think you may be ahead of me on this.
I don't know. Let's see. All right, Clive.
All right, Clive is going to call the numbers.
First number 2.
We have 25 now. What is?
Number 2.
Eat bun and cheese.
Everybody's eating.
Even this morning.
Or gotten bun. You had bun and cheese this morning?
Yep.
What kind of breakfast is that? And what time would you have eaten bun and cheese, D?
First thing I grabbed this morning.
Man is a long belly man. Number 18.
Number 18.
Watch Betta Must Come. What's that? So I didn't watch it. What's Betta Must Come? Is that a movie?
Next.
Who's in it?
Number 8.
Number 8 is Send Please. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Send Please Call Me. Yes. Oh yes.
Number 3.
Stolen food. Oh my gosh. Oh
You
my
must
gosh.
have.
Oh my gosh. The fish from my grandmother's fridge top. And she
Really
reminds me
so
every
winning
time.
this bingo.
What now?
Number?
19.
Number 19.
Talked your way out of a traffic ticket. Yes, you have.
I
It
didn't.
counts. The perfume, it counts. That counts as
If an
talking.
officer stop you and go and give you a ticket and smell the perfume and like it and make you go because you smell the perfume, does that count
Yes.
as... It does?
Yes, it does
But I didn't
count.
have to... Okay.
Yeah, you have
I
to
didn't
talk.
have to talk.
Leave him
He
speechless.
was like, oh, what's that you're wearing?
Number 13.
13.
Paid to dance.
This is just creepy. When you say paid to... Okay, wait. So I've been paid to do a production in which I did dance.
Yes.
Does that count? Okay.
I was thinking something else.
This sounds like a Polish
Yeah.
kind of business.
Polish? Polish as in...
No, as in Pole-ish. Yes. Ready again, Clavos.
Number 22.
22 is... Had a peanut phone. Yeah, man. The second phone I got after my Nokia 3310.
What is that?
Peanut phone. It's like the old time bang. It's like peanut. Like it looked like a peanut. I don't know. It's a Motorola. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Numero
Number
10.
10.
Bathe outside as a child. I bathe outside as an adult. All right. So the story behind.
Let me social it.
I went to Westmoreland about 3 years ago, and the pressure inside was low. So I'm just full the thing, and then I go outside and bathe. It was fun, except when the 40 leg run across my leg. But that
Oh,
was
there. You look at anyway, go on.
Number
16.
16.
I've had cornmeal porridge. Not a fan,
Yeah, man.
but
Cornmeal porridge.
yeah.
My bingo yet?
No.
No. Clive,
Number 4.
wearing something
Oh.
red.
At present.
No.
I didn't
No.
remember.
Hey.
My glasses.
Oh!
Thank you, Joe.
Is this red? Is this red?
Your socks have red in there.
Oh, yes.
Why'd you tell him, Jody?
Thank you, Jody. What's next?
Number 17.
Eat cow foot.
I have.
I have,
don't
yeah.
anymore, but I have
have.
had it, and it's meke. Bleh.
Come
Pleke.
on.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Regular.
Oh, yes.
Chip
Down
up
the hill
proper.
in Manchester. I bingo. No,
Come on, stop your foolishness.
almost. I can't bingo now.
24.
Number 24.
24. Oh,
Anybody in here look like a butcher's?
no.
Did you have a pet goat?
Yeah, and them kill it. They kill my goat.
They killed your goat?
Number 9.
Jamaica boom.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Hug social.
Oh,
Yeah,
You
man.
mean like into public or like,
Anytime.
yeah. Who hasn't? If you're a yard man, you have to have it.
Jamaica, boom. What number?
No, come
Number
again.
11.
Numero. I'm not even.
Ye- Does it count? Okay. I didn't see it, I felt it. It counts, right? Like I felt it.
What do you mean you felt it?
Like I was sleeping and I feel like somebody just hold me down.
That is not duppy, Virgin. That is
It's
a
not-
sleep. That is a.
Sleep, yeah.
It can be explained.
Is
I've
that
read
duppy?
about it. It happened to me.
Oh, so you see the duppy?
It's
You're right, come, X.
no,
Circle. You see the
no.
duppy?
I'm not
Oh my
even. Cause next thing tonight, me go sleep. And no,
Duppy when you're
Bridget.
done.
No. Number 15.
Number 15.
Rode a motorcycle. No.
On a motorcycle. I've been on a motorcycle.
Rode on.
Back.
man. Yeah, that's how I used to go to school.
My fame days were wild. Number 7.
You have a picture of
Number
that?
7.
You have a picture of
I
that?
might, actually.
Use salt as a tooth.
As a substitute toothpaste?
You can do that?
Negative.
You used to do that? Yeah, I used to do that.
No. You use salt water to gargle, but you cannot. Number 21.
Number 21.
Received a traffic ticket since
2020. No.
2020.
I haven't had a traffic ticket in years.
Number
2020.
25.
Got in a fight at high school with a teacher. Yep. Almost got
But this
expelled.
boy not easy.
Almost got expelled.
I got in that fight in primary school. Does that
Yeah.
count? I did crab up a girl chest, very proper. And she was a red girl, light skin. So when I finished with her, anyway, that's a story for another time.
It's a
I had
fighter.
anger issues.
You're a fighter.
20?
Number 20.
I know Sakina's middle
I know
name.
Dahlia's and I know Nev's. I don't know Saki's middle name.
I know Sakina's middle name.
And I don't know
Is it-
Dwayne's.
Sorry. I was gonna ask you your middle name is Clark.
If it's Clark,
I'm sorry.
don't laugh,
I'm
Clark.
sorry.
It's not Clark, it's Nicola. What's yours?
Anthony Victor.
Jesus, you want to have so much name to
Victor.
it? You can't leave some name for somebody else? 12?
Walked on stilts. No, so you're mad?
Well, some of my heels are considered stilts, but I'm going to say yes.
Anybody bingo yet?
No. What's the next one, Clive?
14.
Number 14
I've not been to
is
Trinidad and Tobago. Have
Trinidad. No, never been to Trinidad.
No. They had malaria that one time, so I couldn't go.
Number 23.
Oh yes. When you say prepared, like
So I don't eat fish
when you say prepared, like cook it myself.
since 2020.
I've eaten it. Like
Not the same. It says prepared.
Jesus.
Prepared. Next.
Number 5.
Oh, for sure.
the entire room or part of the room.
It says a room.
Like
It never said part of a room. What's the last one, Clive?
Clive.
Number 6.
Number 6. Yeah, visited Reggae Falls. That's the last one?
Reggae Falls is in Ultra Rios? Where's Reggae Falls?
Somewhere. I just know. I think it's St. Thomas.
It must have been
St.
there.
Thomas.
I've been
St.
to every
Thomas.
falls, every bridge, every.
I'm afraid.
In my radio days, there was nowhere I didn't go. But then the memory bank is. So
It's
unique
full.
how we square this now.
The memory bank is full.
Yeah.
There's some interesting
many-
stories.
What's the most bingos you have in one line? 4?
Yeah, 4. One. You have 4 too? Yeah.
I only have
Top.
3
You
in
have 4
one
at the
line.
top.
I do.
Yeah.
So it's a tie?
So you're missing stolen food.
What else? I've never stolen food. I don't remember going to Reggae Falls. I've never sent a police call me. I don't use salt as toothpaste. I did not bathe outside as a child. Don't know about this duppy argument.
Yes,
Never
yeah.
been to TNT.
Paid
Did
to
not
dance.
watch Betta Must Come. Did not do Dwayne's middle name. No traffic ticket. No peanut phone. No Hescovy Trish.
Oh
Did
my
not
gosh.
kill a goat.
Oh my god.
And no fight in high school.
I was missing the painting of a room by myself
Oh.
to bingo.
Yeah,
But
I've done
I was
that.
paid to dance once. I know what I remember.
Tell us about it.
Can we do that next time? Like another show.
Is it a TV worthy show?
It
or
is.
would we have to talk about
no,
it in the night?
It is. It was my birthday a couple years ago in college.
And somebody paged it in college?
Yeah.
That's
yeah.
not a daytime story.
Yeah.
We'll be right back. Bingo! So come.